if I told you that planets are inhabited by fallen angels? What would you say? When you take a look at the biblical evidence, it's astounding. Number one, yes, planets are mentioned in the Bible. We see it mentioned in Jude for wandering stars, the Greek word that's used there. But we also see it mentioned in 2 Kings, where the Bible says that they burn incense to constellations, false gods, Bel, and the planets. So yes, planets are mentioned. You could easily take a telescope, look through it, and you can see the planets. So if people tell you planets don't exist, don't listen to them. But when you take a look, in ancient times, the Greeks and the Romans, as well as others, they always linked the planets to their gods. False gods, that is, but to their gods, right? Those are fallen angels. We know them as fallen angels, all right? It's also intriguing because Paul said that we wage war against principalities, powers, spirits of wickedness in heavenly places. In the Greek, that means heavenly realms. The realms, and you do a word study, it's the same realms that they, Romans and the Greeks, believe that their gods are in, okay? And when you take it a step further, you see heavenly warfare takes place, Daniel 10, Book of Revelation, but you see that they name planets after their gods. So they see their gods in association with these planets. Some of them have dealt with this, okay? This is why you have, now I'm not saying I believe in aliens in the sense that the world teaches aliens. I believe in fallen angels, Nephilim, and hybrids, and I believe they masquerade as what people say are aliens, right? But when the government's coming out now saying that these things exist and that it's intelligent life forms, elsewhere coming here, and all that, fallen angels, right? And angelic. But the fact that they link their gods to planets, we see second heaven warfare take place. There have been a lot of things that link to Mars that have leaked out. Some false, but some true. You have other planets. It can't house humans. Some of these planets rain diamonds. Sound like heaven. Heaven has a streets of gold. It has diamond, or not diamond, but gemstone infused gate, right? And, walls. When you take a look on one of these planets, it rains diamonds. But in addition to all of that, you consistently see fallen angels waging war in the heavenly places, as well as the angels of God. Could it be that because these planets are named after false gods, that's because those principalities have bases, what we would call bases, strongholds set up on those planets? I want you to think about that, all right? Because we know the Bible exists. We know the Bible's real. We know fallen angels exist. We know they deceive, and we know planets are real. So don't think of it as sci-fi. Think of it as Bible and reality, all right? If you like content like this, you can follow for more as always. And the deadline is almost a day out tomorrow for some of you. We're doing a 3-day class. We're teaching on this subject, the mysteries of the Bible, of the cosmos, right? We're teaching on angelic warfare in the heavens. I'm touching on this topic that I talked about today, as well as a lot more. You don't want to miss this, all right? Click the link in my story or bio to sign up. It's not a live class. It's pre-recorded. So if you're doing Thanksgiving, don't worry about missing it.